Okay. So any last word for only this event on Saturday of the 4th August?
Well, like I usually write on Facebook, happy people, get ready. It's happening on the 4th of August. It's the Dashiki Swahili night.
Oh, yeah.
I would really feel so happy seeing our guests well dressed in the Dashiki attire. But those who don't have...
Talk about Dashiki attire. Does it... me, a Ugandan, I'm well known about this Kitengi outfit.
I think it's the same as Kitengi.
Oh, okay.
It's the same as Kitengi.
Oh, yeah, then I get you.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I look forward to seeing a happy crowd, a well and smartly dressed crowd, as always. I appreciate the fact that our guests, they have never disappointed us.
Finally, give us the address.
The address is Felix Bovai, number 110.
110.
Yeah.
And they were taking bus number
66.
Okay.
Bus 6A.
Yeah.
And 21.
And 21.
Yeah.
And the price?
The price is only 100 crowns.
Which kind of drinks are we expecting?
Variety.
Variety,
and as usual, our bar is always well stocked.
The kind of touch of music, is it only Afrobeats?
Afrobeat. It's mixed up.
Okay.
Swahili
kind of touch.
Swahili, yeah. It's gonna be
the Niger drums.
Everything is well blended. The DJs we have, they know how to do it.
Which kind of DJs are we having this time around?
As always, we have the great DJs in town.
Oh, okay, who never disappoint.
We won't mention,
but
expect quality stuff, efficiency.
But I guess on board, hopefully you didn't forget 4040.
As always,
he's among my best.
He's on the team.
Oh, okay, that's amazing.
On the team.
So from our Freedom Reports, we want to say that thank you for always, being so grateful to watch these videos and sharing them, giving us a comment. Yes, it's positive energy that we need, mostly in these summer vibes. We need a lot of positivity. As for now, I just want to say bye for now. Try to avail yourself on the 4th of August when we're having you call it the dance swipe?
Dashiki Swahili night.
The Dashiki.
Copenhagen.
Wow.
2018.
And for those who are not so certain about this, just go to a page on
DD.
It said DD Sound. The event is there already.
Everything is there.
And what's the event called?
Dashiki Swahili Night, Copenhagen.
Facebook. Just avail yourself there. We shall be welcoming you in time. Yes, aka Smoggy. Right now, but when I fuse into the PR of the DD Sound, I'll give it a needful. As for now, we just want to say enjoy your summer and take good care of yourself. We shall give you a recap of.
Just to say also, great thanks to Veve Brown.
Oh, that's great.
He has done a great job.
Oh, true. Yeah.
Of promoting the event.
Amazing. Yeah.
Brown, Veve, Team D Sound. We appreciate all the energy, all the efforts you have done to ensure this event goes viral. We respect and we thank you so much, Brown.
In reality, people who really appreciate, they always get a lot of blessings. And those who help people who have been appreciative, trust me, you never know what you're going to get tomorrow. But as for now, let me say goodbye and enjoy your summer. DJ Veve Brown, maximum respect. Bye for now.
Representing to you, telling the violence and the crime behind. Bless, pump the best line. General Megadi, the girls them a wine. Funny records, a big tune this. Get the president. Bobby wine. The good summer. Yo, the girl them a whining. Sipping, the rough the rope and squeeze up the girl and the girl them a wine like body. The girl them a whining. Sipping, the rough the rope and squeeze up the girl and the girl them a wine like body. All the girls them dancing, shaking the nice bodies. They select a rolling, party time with a boy. Look for the girls, do the dirty wine. While them a do this, can't let go.
Love how you sexy, you round and fat up. Have your palmy base, girl, the whole place mash up. I born as a bedroom bully. Bedroom bully for the girl, me give it. I born as a bedroom bully. Bedroom bully, girl, I want to give it. I born as a bedroom bully. Bedroom bully, girl, I want to give it.
something, do something, do something, do something, uno do something, do something. And a bag of land talking, feet no, just do something, do something, do something, do something, uno do something, do something. And a bag of leg tracing, feet no. Conscience my name but me not have none. This me and your land talking, feet no, so who me sing now? Who the gal them love? 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 Who the gal them love me? The gal them love me, love me, love me. The gal them want me, want me. The gal them want me, want me, want me. The gal them love me, the gal them love me, love me, love me. The gal them want me, want. The gal them want me, want me, want me. Onanyera, China de pimpo. Buja mukwata konzija yo fimbo. Kevin, Samukasa. The gal them love me. The gal them love me, love me, love me. The gal them want me, want. The gal them want me, want me, want me. The gal them love me.
Me never run away. Me gonna get a walker man. Me never run away. Me gonna get a walker man.
The feeling is right. What you feeling on the money right there? What you bang on computer? Ahora party, you play song, the girl star bus blank. Now the girl them time, play song, the girl white. Big selector a play, you no rookie. Catch the baseline, watch the girl them a should be. Hey, when the girl them a dip it and a drop it, you a funny man. If you not happy, follow me then. Y'all a dash out, so me glad me come out. Ready Philip?